Hey there, Snapchat fans! Today, we're going to dive into an exciting feature that allows you to add multiple photos to your Snapchat story on Android phones. Trust me, once you know how to do this, it'll change the way you use Snapchat. And first off, we need to open up Snapchat, and then we'll be taken to Snapchat Camera, where first off, we need to swipe up to go to Memories, and after that, hit right here where it says Camera Roll. Now guys, in order to select multiple photos or videos, first off we need to tap on the photo for a while and release our finger. Tapping on them just like that. Once you've done that, hit right here at this button, then select My Story Friends Only or My Story Public. I'm going to choose the first one, and then to continue, we just need to hit right here at this button. Keep in mind that it will share all the photos you have selected to your story just like that. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.